So how you can make $1,400 per day or per week, whatever your goal is, with Clickbank affiliate marketing using Facebook ads and quiz funnels. So in this short video today, straight to the point, no bluff, I'm going to reveal to you exactly what is the number one reason, right? Why your funnels don't convert. And again, it's not your fault. If you bought courses in the past from some gurus on Clickbank, it's not your fault because you did not know what you're going to know today. Second thing, how to make profitable quiz funnels and why you should make them. What makes Facebook ads profitable, and again, it's not what you think, and what formats to use across all ad networks. So let's go straight into it. Now you see, first of all, I will tell you this, the best way to compete is to not compete at all. Just do things differently, right? When everyone is zagging, I'm zigging, right? When everyone else is doing something, when you see thousands of people doing the same copy and paste thing, you know, yeah, is the time everything is going to go down. Why? It's just the market, is the way it is. You can change that, but you can change what you do from today on. Okay, so do things differently. So actually, what is the funnel? You know, you have click funnels, right? And you see the ads from Russell saying, you're just one funnel away. Just one funnel away. Okay, from what? Man, tell me, from what? From getting broke? From losing my ad account? What I don't tell you is that funnel, you know what are funnels? No, they're not websites, they're not pages, they're not simple sites. No, they're decisions, right? Decisions, write it down somewhere. Funnel are multiple decisions made before the buying decision happen. Okay, keep this in mind. Next time you go on ClickFunnels, remember, or you're doing a landing page, you're actually preparing a decision-making steps for a person to convert to a buyer. Okay, that's what funnel is. Now the next thing, what is the purpose of Facebook ads, right? The main goal of Facebook ads is to put them into the problem state. Now most of gurus are not sharing this in their courses. Why? Because they know that you need a missing puzzle, so they cannot make more money off of you, right? Do you know, I tell you this, do you know that creatives matter? How you create your creatives, how you do them, the color, the text, the background, images, all matters, right? All matters. Very important thing in psychology online. It's very important if you want to convert to buyers, if you want to get sales, of course. Now, what format you can use in what ad network, right? I'll tell you this, funnel marketing is based on exclusion mostly, right? You see the funnel, right? This is funnel. And then at the top, you know, like you put 100 people in, maybe 3 people come out or 1 person come out. 10% conversion rate, right? 1 person buys. That's what everyone else is doing. What I'm doing, what we are doing in our group, is we are actually doing the opposite. We want to do inclusion marketing. We do mass marketing. We include everyone because we know there are males, females, and how you sell to females is different to how you sell to males. You have lower and higher emotional states of people, right? That's why at any given point you only have 10% or 1% even of buyers in your whole market, whole niche. The rest is all ice cold traffic. And most of gurus are not sharing with you how to sell, how to promote, market on Facebook, on Google, on YouTube to those audiences who are not yet willing to buy, but would buy if you did it correctly. You know where is the money? The money is not in the email list. The money is in the knowledge, in the skill set of knowing how to basically convert cold ice traffic, cold audiences, people who never heard of you, who never heard of your product, into buyers. That's the magic. That's gonna make you wealthy in this game. That's the secrets behind the scenes. Okay? So I do inclusion marketing. Now why would I use quiz funnels? Everyone is talking about quiz funnels. It's easy to make a quiz on ClickFunnels, of course, or use different softwares. But what they don't tell you is, will it convert? Everyone can make a graphic design, nice quiz, throw some questions up and hope it sticks. But if you don't get money from that damn quiz, it doesn't matter. It's a waste of money and time, right? Why I use my own way of making funnels, quiz funnels, is because I can segment the audiences, and I can include personalization, and I ask the right questions, right? This is the skill set that super affiliates have. Exactly how to do functional questions. Increase. I know maybe on Clickbank there are courses from billionaires who are selling you on Facebook ads with quiz funnel, right? But they don't tell you how to do the proper quiz funnel. What kind of question to ask. Most of quiz funnels are simple. You go on Clickbank, you can see male, female. Are you male or female? Yes, no. How old are you? Right? Do you like law of attraction? Do you want to lose weight? I mean, those are simple questions, but they're not functional. They don't move the person into the decision-making process. From being curious to have attention, awareness, right? To be niche aware, to become problem aware, and become product aware at the end and buy the product, because this is the problem here and this is the solution, right? And when this is match, when you have message, listen to me carefully, okay? Listen. When you have the right message to the market match, then people buy, then audience will convert, then you're gonna get Clickbank commissions, MaxWeb, whatever affiliate networks. There are hundreds of them around the world. Doesn't matter. What matters is understanding audiences, emotional states, decision making, funnel making process. You don't have to be IT professional. I am not. I can outsource funnels. I mean the pages, funnel, website, right? If I want to. But what I never outsource is the question making, story-based funnels, copy. Those things I never outsource because I know how to do it correctly to get sales, to get conversions, right? Very important thing. Now, everyone tell you pick a niche on Clickbank. Pick a niche. Go by gravity. All good and fine, but what I don't tell you is that every market and niche is unique. You cannot use same funnel for every market. And every market has a unique set of problems in different timelines, right? I mean, this is what makes the difference. And this is why you need someone who will help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you along the way to get to your first $1,000 day or $1,000 week or whatever your goal is. I can show you how to make money online, okay? But how much you make, it's entirely up to you, right? You can make $100 a day, you can make $1,000 a day. But the sky is the limit. Once you have someone who help you along the way, right? And that's worth more than any money in the world. So that's very important, okay? Pick a niche, it's evergreen. And you can go in sub-niches, okay? Subcategories. I will give you one thing. I work in a Bible market as well. Unbelievable. Bible market exists. Christian market exists. Very huge audience there, right? Just Google it, you will see. There are so many niches out there. I mean, everyone going under health and weight loss. You can make $30,000 per month in Bible niche if you want to, right? Pocket Bibles, physical products, upsells. And again, another thing I want to tell you is this. Now, I cannot go into details. I have so many secrets of this game to share with you. But if you really want to have results, there is going to be a link to my Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, email. I'll have even a special Facebook group soon where we're going to do weekly Zoom calls for free, and I will share with you these kind of secrets that the actual people don't share with you about online marketing, psychology, economics, strategical thinking behind the game, right? That's what actually matters, okay? So again, I hope you understand. All it takes is just having someone who will help you, hand-holding you along the way to get to results, which you can get in 2 weeks. There are people like you don't have to believe me, you can go and check later after watch this video on my YouTube. There are people making $6,000 per week, $10,000 per month, $30,000 per month. It's just about taking action, and all you need to do, you can do it without expensive tools, without expensive softwares. Most of gurus are just selling you expensive softwares because they want to make recurring income off of you, okay? I personally invested $10,000 into coaching and mentorship before in the past. I did many different things, many different books, many different courses, And that's what took me to this level right now, where I can show you what actually works in 2024 with Clickbank affiliate marketing, low ticket or high ticket. Doesn't matter, okay? What matters is understanding this game. So you see over here we have different market levels. We have unaware audiences, problem aware, solution aware, and for each of those 5 audience levels of awareness in the mind, we have to make different copy, okay? Different copywriting, different copy, and different images, and different questions, right? Because someone who is most aware, for example, I want iPhone, I go and buy it. No one have to show me VSL or do a strategy call in front of iPhone shop for me to buy iPhone if I want to have iPhone, correct? Do you agree with me, right? But when you're doing direct response marketing, it's different game. Some of the people are not aware about your product. It's not a brand like iPhone, okay? Some weight loss supplement is not a brand that is recognizable around the planet, no. So that's why we need VSLs, that's why we need copy, and that's why you need someone who help you along the way, hand-holding you step by step, okay? That's how it works. And you do need some money to invest in yourself if you want to make it happen, okay? Or you can just watch everyone else making money online. But remember, we all have 70 to 80 years to live. Maybe you are 20, maybe you are now 50, maybe you are 60, maybe you are 30 years old. I don't know, as you watch this video right now. But I think you know deep down somewhere that you deserve more, that you want to do more for your family, for yourself. Travel around the world. You can check my Instagram, my photos. I travel all the way around the world, and thanks to affiliate marketing. Australia, Bali, Japan, Europe, Africa, right? USA coming. So all these travels are possible because of affiliate marketing, right? Because I understand the game. And again, if you want to become someone, and once you understand, once you have someone who will help you along the way, then you can become someone who can do it yourself, who have a skill set, who have profession of affiliate marketing, and become someone who is a marketer and can wake up in the morning, go on the laptop, promote any product, because this business is a recession-proof business, right? And the most important thing, stress-free business, where you don't have to invest hours and hours and hours per day. Personally, I invest 2 to 3 hours max every day at working actively, okay? Affiliate marketing. The rest, I'm traveling, I'm flying, I'm in the sea, swimming, doing all this stuff, fun stuff. Why? Because I took action, because I decided to do it seriously, to invest money in myself and better myself, okay? Again, thank you for watching, okay? The next thing you can do is you can connect with me one-on-one. Subscribe please to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment if you want some questions. And again, if you're serious about this game, if you really want results, you can give me a phone call. I will answer personally, not my VA, but personally, but only if you're serious. I mean, if you're not serious, do not even reach out to me, right? You do need to have money to invest in yourself. And again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.